narrow street of cobblestone. In the hero of Islam, I threw my bullet to the golden dam. But my heart was saved by the flash of a neon light. The speed that night and touch the sound of silence. Beneath an eagle like a soul. 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking with a house begin. People hearing with a house in. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dare be still the sound of silence. Like fools say I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows in my word and my heart too. Take my arm and I reach out to you. But my word like silence, raindrops when in the words of silence, and the people are praying to the neon garden flame, and the sign flash and each on you in the word that it was for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls and whisper in the sound of silence. Grazie.